And as you can see, the Stream Deck has a number of programmable keys on it. So you can, and as you can see, you can apply custom icons on your Stream Deck based on what you want to do, and you can insert your own images there. And what's really, really cool about the Stream Deck, actually, and this is a function that I found out recently with one video program called vMix, is in some cases the Stream Deck will pull a live video feed of one of your sources into one of the buttons. Each one of these buttons are an LCD screen that can be programmed to be anything that you want. Pretty neat, huh? You can also trigger, and I'm gonna hit this button, I'm about to sound weird, but I have a program going right now called Voice Mod. You can also do cool things like triggering, as you can hear I now sound crazy, right? Triggering things like voice modifiers. You guys hear how I sound like I'm a party voice? Oh yeah! That's all right here. I'm gonna turn it off so you don't have to listen to that for too long. All right here through the Stream Deck, where at the press of a button, you can impress your audience and you can do so much to control your live stream and to just make your life easier, to be perfectly honest, as a streamer, okay? So for me, this is a must-have pickup right here for live streamers.
It makes it so much nicer and so much more intuitive. Software that comes with it is very, very good. Elgato has a good name in the market, in the streamer market, for a reason.
Really quick, gaming creators, if you have not already entered our $1,100 Gaming Creator Bundle sweepstakes, you got to do it. Link in the description below. It includes Rode, who hooked us up with this Rode Procaster microphone, shock mount, boom arm, and the mixer to go with it. If you want to sound this good, let me just show you the package. It's freaking great. Take a look. It also includes this mixer right here, which is arguably the highest end creator mixer on the market. Plus, our friends at TubeBuddy threw in a Legend license if you want to step up your YouTube channel management game, and Restream threw in a license as well if you want to stream to multiple platforms at the same time and grow through live streaming faster. This costs $0 to enter. Link in the description below. If you want to enter the sweepstakes, if you want to sound this good, the exact package we use on the podcast every single day, and the tools we use to manage our channels and help our clients, all free as a part of this sweepstakes. Good luck. I hope you win. Adios, gaming creators. Appreciate you.